It's
crazy, man.
No, it's...
No.
Get out of the light.
No. Hey.
Whatever. Sure. Whatever. You shitting me? Yeah. Yeah. Right.
It's all serious. What the hell?
I know who's at fault.
All right, you ready? Let's roll.
Oh my God.
No, it's still.
My bad. Sorry.
Marcus, come on, dude. I'm not getting in there.
From the gutter.
Hey, how's the startup?
You know me, more algorithms, more problems.
I sure do. Keep me posted?
You're on the list.
Hey, you're leaving me behind here. Hey, hold up, man. I'm falling behind.
Yeah, right. Well, I did it for her. I mean, she wants to have a kid so much. I maybe just lied about the test a little. Fucking nasty. Next time I won't be so.
Oh my god!
I punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee. Beautiful. All right, man. Let me just say right up the top, I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you.
Asshole!
Okay, now where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got, man, come on. All right, just, all right. GPS, I know where the GPS is. Up, got it. There you go. Okay.
I ain't got nothing in my pockets. And I've got holes in my shoes. my heart. So boy, now I ain't got nothing to lose. And I keep your number here for safety keeping, knowing it's something I don't plan to use. You walk right out of my heart. So boy, now I ain't got nothing to lose. No, I ain't got nothing to lose. So turn out the light and tuck yourself.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Hey there.
Hey.
Wonder if she's found someone new.
Her-
Still got nothing to lose.
Okay, so
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer.
I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat.
You haven't tried my juice.
I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar. Smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up with fruit, veg, superfoods.
Superfoods.
Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health.
Spend your time wondering.
As I was saying, well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but goji berries are as much a superfood as grapes are. It's a marketing buzzword designed to rope in consumers. No offense.
Awkward.
You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
And I got sand in my.
Who is in charge of this town? It's like a parade of idiots.
And you walked right out of my heart. So boy, now.
Could you drive better?
No, I ain't got nothing. No, I ain't got nothing. To
Hey.
Hey there. You stayed late last night?
Yeah.
I want to be high
Where were we? Oh, yeah. Yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I'd rather starve next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland.
My spicy tuna roll was anything. Anyway, my spicy tuna roll was anything but.
So yeah. Oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally?
I could think of some worse things.
Good times.
What the hell?
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Well, what is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Oh, man, welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people?
What?
Mr. President?
Hey, man, they see two of us together, they gonna think we plotting.
We are plotting.
No, I'm listening to you, now you listen to me. That's what you do. Are you listening? Are you, okay, fine, I'll listen to you. Go, go.
Man, I feel so exposed.
Hey, Horatio.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough. But hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent all of blackdom.
Jesus.
If I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate. There to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin.
Brody.
Big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to. Where you've been looking, who you've been talking
Trying to
to.
get a coffee.
What was that?
Just trying to get a coffee.
Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee. Watch it! Are you new here?
Yeah.
Punk would love to lay his ass out. I can't stand that mother... Hey, Becky.
Gentlemen.
He's been watching my ass since the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR?
You think he's got something on you?
Damn it. Do you have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
All right.
Pomegrapples.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the second floor of Noodle Maps. But watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
I assure you. Scanning now.
Watch out! Hey! Oh, oh sorry.
Thanks for your participation. Oh, hey.
Okay, guys, straight up, the hackerspace needs a slide.
Kinda hard to have a slide on just one floor.
Let's work on that. Vertical expansion.
Listen, buddy, you gotta leave. Coffee shops have Wi-Fi. Not for free. Listen, your porn will still be there later.
Jesus, what is this?
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft. Hey, bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
Spread out and find him. Help!
Satara, it's a dead end. I need Horatio's code to get into the server farm. Any luck finding him?
Got his GPS, but he's not responding. I'll patch you in now.
Pack it up, he's not here.
The keystrokes on your computer is evidence enough to put you away. I want to hear you say it. You have no... What? How did... Who listens to this crap anyways? Sit. Sit, this place is a freaking circus. IT morons better do something.
You wired everything in the building to the same network down to the frickin' toys. You think you can stop it all from going haywire? Yeah. Okay, and here's a hot tip. Don't apologize. Just get it right in the first place. Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Really? Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Oh, Yasmin, hi.
I know, Horatio Carlin. These are very serious accusations that you've been making. I had to prepare a secure room.
Well, the evidence speaks for itself.
Mr. Carlin, I'm going to ask you to follow me.
You're the man, Horatio. Hang in there. They got things wired up pretty tight here. Shit, wrong one. Nope. Mm-mm. This is it. That's it. Noodle's data is now DedSec's data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see it.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
I'm sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel. Yes. And you tracked the keystrokes? I see. Thank you. Mr. Carlin. I'm so sorry. Apparently, we've made a huge mistake.
What a surprise.
My apologies.
Yo.
You are free to go.
I'm just glad you finally got it right.
Whoa, this is a mistake. I mean...
Mr. Goodale, take a seat.
I don't think that...
Sit down.
Horatio, that was intense. You good?
I'm better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the Noodle bus. Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you into an exterior access.
Nice. Thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
No, sorry.
Just a moment of your time, if you don't mind. Compiling now.
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but this shit's got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the fuck out of me.
Oh, come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad.
Horatio.
Hey, enjoy the dump, but save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code to... Code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palma Grapple? It was good, right?
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information. Now, tell me everything you know about that sect.
Huh.
This race is for all the marbles, Marcus.
Let me at him.
It's a one-shot deal. You've got one chance to bring down the big boys once and for all.
Here goes.
win for the underdogs, my friend.
I told you Oakland could get it done.
You were more than right, Marcus. It's been a pleasure racing with you.
So long, Taylor.
Yep, well, you got it. And you just think that because you get to be the boss.